All right, just kind of a lazy day right now here. We got our early move down and bounced right off the 18, 19 zone. 19 quarter was my pivot early on in the day. Came down, tested that pivot, and rallied a little bit there, but very slow day. This is one of those days again where it'll continue pushing quietly higher, and there won't be that much volume to push this thing lower. So on rotations like we just had to the downside here, we just tested the point of control here, VPOC at 22 quarter. You want to see this zone between there and the VWAP, which is 1821.75. So a very tight zone. You want that area to hold ahead of the next rotation higher. On the upside, I do have the 26 target. That's the one I was talking about. I think we could hit today. So if we do get a bounce and hold here, I think 26 will be the ultimate target on the upside. If things get really wacky, then we got 30.75. That's typically the primary target for the day. But since today is kind of that, the beginning of that holiday feel, 1826 is the upside zone. If we break down below 19 quarters, and that would be pretty significant, but it would only indicate a move back toward 1814 half or so. All right, so taking a look at the NQ. Not a whole lot going on in the NQ either. But there was an early zone where price pulled back toward 35.50 early on, did a little higher low there and took off. And this was actually not a bad move so far. About 15 points almost from the low to the high there. So it's not bad. We're now testing that key level there at 35.60, which was kind of an early key level that developed. And breaking below that zone into VWAP could offer support around 35.56s if we get that low. And the upside target right now I have, we've already reached 2 for the day. And the next one up would be 72.75. Lastly, crude oil. Crude oil's been kind of quiet today. It came into my key level down here at 98.65. That's the zone I said needed to hold early on, and it got as low as 69s or so on this chart, and came right to the tip of that zone and pulled right back. So now it looks like it's in a short-term short squeeze, and this current pullback right here to 99s could offer an opportunity to buy this thing for one more push higher. Into those 99.25s to 99.30s. So this is offering an opportunity right in the zone right here. So you want to see it hold between 98s and 99s, 99.02s, and in that area, if it does, we have a shot to run some stops to the upside. And again, the upside stops I have for the day, 99.47 would be one that is makeable. And if it gets beyond that zone, 99.77 is usually the primary target. But in this case, again, holiday trading kind of pushes that down just a little bit. So 99.47 is the next upside target for the day. But on the short-term run right here, this thing could run right up to 99 quarter, 99.30. All right, that's it for right now. Let's see how this thing plays out the rest of the day. Let's see if